Hello everyone, I invite you to every Monday's cryptocurrency review. Let's start by checking the current situation on the BTC pair to USDT, taking into account the one-day interval. First, we will use the yellow lines to mark the uptrend channel in which the BTC price is moving. Now we can move on to marking the places of support in the event of a correction. And here in the first place it is worth marking the support zone from $22,946 to $21,494. Then we have the second support zone from $20,364 to $19,209. And the third very strong zone from $17,539 to $15,451. Looking the other way, in a similar way using the fib retracement tool, we can determine the places of resistance. First, we will mark the resistance at $25,179, with which the price is fighting to go up. When we manage to break it, we can see an increase around $31,148, at which we have very strong resistance. As we can see, the EMA cross 10 and 30 indicate an uptrend. The CHOP index indicates that the energy is slowly gathering strength. The MACD indicator indicates entering an uptrend, while the RSI is approaching the upper end of the range, so be careful. As the second chart in today's review, we'll check ETH against USDT, also on a 4-hour timeframe. First of all, we will use the yellow line to mark the local downtrend line that the price overcame. Now let's move on to marking the places of support. We will use the trend-based fib extension tool to mark the supports, and as you can see, we have the first support at $1,687. The second support at $1,653, the third support at $1,626, and the next support at $1,597. Looking the other way, we can also mark the places where the price should encounter resistance on the way to increases. And here we have the first resistance at $1,696, the next resistance at $1,737, then the third resistance at $1,770, and the fourth at $1,804. The CHOP index indicates that energy is gathering strength. The MACD indicator indicates a local downtrend. On the other hand, we see a rebound on the RSI, but we are staying in the upper part of the range. As the third one, we will check the XRP chart against USDT, taking into account the 4-hour interval. First, we will use the yellow lines to mark the downtrend channel in which the price is moving. Moving on, we can move on to marking the support areas when the price starts to reverse. And here in the first place we have a support zone from 38 cents to 37 cents. When the price falls below this zone, we have a second zone of strong support from 35 cents to 33 cents. Looking the other way, we see that the price has reached the resistance point at 39 cents, which so far has no strength to break. However, if it manages to break out above, we have a second support at 40 cents, then a resistance zone from 41 cents to 42 cents, and then resistance at 43 cents. Please look at the CHOP index, which indicates that most of the energy has been used. The MACD indicates that we are moving in a local uptrend, while the RSI shows a significant increase and we are approaching the upper end of the range, where the price often has a rebound. The last one in today's chart is the BNB versus USDT chart on a 4-hour time frame. First, we will use the yellow lines to mark the triangle in which the price is moving. Moving on, we can move on to marking support areas when we start a larger correction. And here, first of all, we have a support zone from $311 to $305. When the price goes lower, we have another support at $300, and then around $292. Looking the other way, we see that the price is fighting a strong resistance at $317, which so far it has no strength to break. However, if it manages to break out higher, the next resistance will appear at $326, and then at $338. Please look at the CHOP index, which indicates that we have a lot of energy for the upcoming move. MACD indicates that we are moving in a downtrend, while the RSI shows a rebound, which may positively affect the price increase. Technical analysis is provided by a third party, and for informational purposes only. It does not reflect the views of CryptoDaily, nor is it intended to be used as legal, tax, investment, or financial advice.